The DJI Osmo Pocket is a revolutionary handheld camera, but its biggest limitation is its internal microphone. While it's perfect for many scenarios, when you get into a noisy environment or need directionality, the background noise is much more than you'd want. For example, I'm going to talk over some crowd noise we'll play on a stereo and a studio fan blowing. This is what it sounds like using the Osmo Pocket's internal audio. And this is what it sounds like using one of Saramonic's audio solutions for the Osmo Pocket. Saramonic has the wireless solutions that integrate perfectly and will give you remarkable audio. With the UW Mic 9 RX XLR9 dual wireless receiver, you can connect up to 2 professional wireless microphones to the Osmo Pocket. Users can utilize any of the UW Mic 9 transmitters, such as the TX9 belt pack, the HU9 handheld, or the TX XLR9 plug-on transmitters. For instance, 2 wireless lavaliers for a 2-person interview, a shotgun mic on the plug-on XLR transmitter and lavalier, or 2 handheld mics for a panel discussion, just to name a few. The RX XLR9 also features a headphone output for real-time audio monitoring, so you can ensure you get a great take. With this receiver, multiple system packages are available, or each transmitter is available separately. Saramonic has multiple solutions that integrate perfectly, both wired and wireless, that won't weigh you down and will give you the best audio results. When you want a high-quality professional microphone for the Osmo Pocket's mic adapter, look no further than Saramonic for microphones that integrate perfectly and sound remarkable.